So plan now, I know you can't see it from that view, but this thing's got a heavy bow to it, and I need to straighten it out. And then I'm going to tack on some braces, probably one right here, one right here, on either side of this gap. So I'm real worried about getting differences in height between these two surfaces. So they'll each get a strong back. And I'll probably leave it at that. Considering putting one back here too, but for right now, I'm going to run a series of welds on the back side of this plate, the side that needs to shrink. In order to make this flat, this surface here needs to shrink to straighten it out. So I'm going to run a series of welds. I've got I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I've used a scribe to run a line, 2 lines across, straight across the surface, and then I've divided it up into 12 pieces. And then I kind of arbitrarily decided to mark an X on the welds. They're close to 3-inch welds that I'm going to run. One on each line, and then I'm going to let it cool, take a measurement, see how flat it is, see if I need to do any more, and just kind of as evenly as I can, then take maybe here, weld here, 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 and somewhere, something like that, to try and pull this thing nice and easy into flat. Well, I ended up putting just about full-length passes on this thing. I didn't end up catching that on video because my phone's memory filled up, so I had to load some stuff onto the computer and make some space, but I ended up getting pretty close. Probably do some more welding on it, but we push down on this side and this little over there, so maybe a few more passes. It should flatten right out. Alright, isn't that cool? Yeah, hold it down flat here. Pretty good. I mean, like a strong 16th. pretty solid. What do you think? Kind of like a cast iron table. Pretty rigid. See if it actually came out flat. That's pretty good. Move it over here on the other side of the track here. Pretty good. Not too bad. It's a little out. Not too bad. I think we can live with that.